Hi everyone, I'm John Chrissy Suleiman from BSHM2N, and today let's talk about how globalization affects to my life. First, ano nga ba ang globalization? Ang globalization ay mabilisang pagpapalitan ng mga product, ideas, culture, at information from around the world through trade, technology, communication, and culture. Let me start sharing one positive effect of globalization in my life. So, as a student, madalas akong gumagamit ng YouTube, Messenger, Google, and AI tools like ChatGPT to research and understand na hindi ko pa alam. Because of globalization, I can also make a new friends. I also enjoy watching movies like Thai dramas, movies, and listening music. Of course, hindi mawawala ang shopping sa pamamagitan ng online apps to allow us to buy products na wala sa Pilipinas like sa France, sa Thailand, at China. Dahil sa online shopping apps ay napapadali na and more confident form para sa akin o sa atin. But there is a negative effect of globalization in my life. Mas mura pero mas mabilis masira. Katulad ng sapatos, dati tatagal ng taon yung sapatos. Ngayon dahil sa fast fashion at mura lang na galing sa China, 3 months lang sira na. Akala mo nakatipid ka, pero mas gumagastos ka rin kasi palit ka ng palit. At iba pang apps from different countries. Sometimes I spend too much playing games, scrolling, o kaya naman manood ng movies. Me realize na ang globalization give us opportunities through technology. Kaya kailangan ay mayroon tayong self-discipline at good time management to use it wisely. And globalization ay sa atin na kung good or bad. Depends on how we use it. If we use this wisely, it can help improve our lives and create more opportunities for everyone. We should enjoy its benefits, support local products, at alagaan ang ating sarili.